Hey everyone, just here to tell you a little bit about a mouthwash I've been using. It is called Lavoris Mouthwash. It is peppermint, the original peppermint flavor. I saw this online, but they sell it in stores too. They did have a cinnamon flavor, but I don't like any flavor mouthwash or toothpaste. It has to be, I'm sorry, I like flavored, but it has to be flavored with mints. So that's why I chose the peppermint flavor, but they do have others. So it says on here, wake up with fresh breath. This is a 1.5 liter. So as you can see, it's kind of like a magnum. It's a great size, lasts you a while. It says quality products since, say, 1903. I believe the print's a little bit small. Quality products since 1903, over 100 years. So that's how long they've been in business. Freshening breath for over 100 years with Zantrate. I just want to mention something I really like about this mouthwash is it doesn't burn. Like, I've used Listerine and stuff, and not to knock them at all, because I think Listerine is great and works really well for freshening your breath and killing germs and stuff like that, but it does have a little bit of a harsher burn than Lavoris does. So I like Listerine, but I wanted to try something I hadn't tried before. This was my first time getting this, and I use mouthwash every day, and I just wanted something that was going to be a little less with the burn for me. So directions: rinse and gargle for about 30 seconds before bed every evening to reduce morning breath. Rinse and gargle for about 30 seconds after brushing your teeth in the morning for added protection. Keep out of reach of children, of course. Sealed with printed neckband for your protection. Do not use if seal is broken or missing. Avoid contact with eyes. If more than a rinsing dose, about half an ounce, is swallowed, contact a poison control center. If irritation occurs, discontinue use and consult a dentist. Ingredients: water, alcohol, glycerin, sorbitol flavor, polysorbate 80, sodium saccharin, polyxamer 507, zinc chloride, zinc citrate, citric acid, FD&C Blue 1. Lavoris is a registered trademark of Lavoris Holdings Incorporated and Evergreen Consumer Brands in Ontario, Canada. Distributed by Evergreen Consumer Brands, and there's the address in Ontario, so it's a Canadian product. So I hadn't really seen this before. I was just looking at reviews online, and it said that some of the reviews were not as harsh as some of the other mouthwashes, so I really liked that. And then to open, you could just squeeze the sides and unscrew and then close back tightly. So as you can see, it was squeezing and pretty easy. Do it with one hand. So for me, I always end up making a little bit of a mess, but that's about as much as I use. I just use it right from this cup. I'm going to gargle for 30 seconds. All right, a little under 30 seconds, but it didn't burn at all. It leaves your mouth feeling really clean. Since it doesn't burn, I guess I'm so used to a mouthwash burning that sometimes I feel like it puts in my head that maybe it's not doing as good of a job. Like, it doesn't say anything on the bottle about killing germs or anything like that. So, I'm sure it does, but it doesn't say anything like that. Like, I know the Listerine bottle does. But if you're just looking for something to freshen your breath and not be harsh, then I definitely recommend this product, and it'll leave your mouth feeling minty all day. So if you guys are looking for a really great mouthwash like that, definitely try Lavoris. It's been around forever, so that definitely means that it's doing well-established brands, and that's something you always want to have, especially with brushing your teeth. And it's great too, because you can put it in a little plastic container and bring it around with you. If you're like me, I always like having fresh breath, because for work I'm in people's faces and stuff like that. So after I eat something, I like to have mouthwash with. So this is good. You just have it in your purse or something like that if you guys are like me and crazy with having fresh breath. So I use this, I forgot to mention, twice a day, in the morning and at night if I don't have it with me on hand. At night, I have to say, in the morning, people sleep and you get morning breath. My morning breath has not been anything close to normal. It's been way better because of using this product at night. So definitely try out the Lavoris mouthwash, and I hope you guys love it. Thanks for watching.